Today I'm going to talk to you about a tool called Plickers, and Plickers is a very simple tool that helps teachers collect formal or informal data from their students. It's a safe tool. The only people in the classroom that have a device are the teacher. It's ethical in the sense that the teachers can decide if they want everybody in the classroom to be able to view the students' answers or if they want to keep it private. What it is every student has a puzzle piece in their hand. They're assigned one. And depending on which way the students hold their puzzle piece is how they submit their answers. One side is A, one side is B, one side is C, and one side is D. Each puzzle piece is unique, and so if students look over at their neighbor, they can't tell what their neighbor answered. What you do when you want to use Plickers is you first go and you create a class roster. So you click on classes and you click add a new class. So you can title your class. I'm going to title my class sample. I teach second grade. The subject, let's say math, and I'm going to call my class color green. I hit save. Then it brings me up to the roster page where I type in students. So for example, Paul, Billy, Jane. Let's say I have 3 students. The number next to them is the card that they are assigned, and you can hit print roster and it'll print the students' names and their number next to them. Then when you're ready to create questions, you click on library, and it's easiest I found to create a folder. So I can go new folder and I can title this language arts theme 2. Hit save. Then I go language arts theme 2, new question. Let's say, what is a noun? A person, place, or thing. Somewhere you go to eat. So let's say those 2. Correct answer, person, place, or thing. Save and create new. I could do another one. What is wrong with this sentence? There are no capital letters. Capital letters. There is no period. Let's say I just want 2 again. There is no period. Save and create new. Then when I'm ready to give my students the assessment, I will have downloaded the Plickers tool on my cell phone or iPad. So right now I'm going into the Plickers tool and I'm getting ready to do the assessment. So I click live view and I click on a question. So Plickers, doing my sample class, clicking library on my cell phone, clicking language arts theme 2, what is wrong with this sentence? I'm clicking scan now, so all my students are holding up their puzzle pieces and I'm taking my cell phone and scanning the classroom. As they hold their puzzle piece a certain way and submit their answers, their number will show with a green check mark to know that they've submitted it. I can decide if I want to reveal the answer and show who got it right or wrong, and I can also decide if I want to show it in a graph form. The graph form is a little more private. Students can't see if they got it right or wrong. They can just see how many students chose what answer. What I really like about the Plickers app is that it gives quick feedback. I used it this week as an exit ticket at the end of the unit just to check in with how students are doing. I also like that it's minimal prep. One day I wanted to quick ask them 2 questions and it took me 2 minutes to type them in the library and get them ready to assess. I think that Plickers is definitely a tool I would like to continue using in the future.